Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add a song to your favorites on TouchTunes. Now if you want to add a song to your favorites on TouchTunes but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the TouchTunes app on a device. So if you have not installed, you can simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the TouchTunes app and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you just need to log in by clicking on the option of profile at the very bottom right. Now to add a song to your favorite on TouchTunes, you just need to use the app to connect to the nearby jukebox. So you just need to search for the song you like or find it on the current queue history. So after that, after finding the song, you just need to click on the option of heart icon or the red heart like icon which is next to the song, and this will help you to add it to your favorite list. So currently there are no jukebox available in my area, so I won't be able to show it to you. So you can access to your favorite music anytime from my music section in the app. So that's it. That's how you can add a song to your favorites on the TouchTunes. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.